Hi everybody. I feel like maybe I need to go over what the first couple of days of breastfeeding looks like, because while all of you are sharing your beautiful babies nursing at your breast, your milk is here, and it's a lot different those first couple of days until milk gets here. And it causes a lot of concern because people are comparing what you're doing versus what's going on with them. So the first couple of days of breastfeeding are nothing like when your milk comes in. Okay, so colostrum is super duper thick. It's like sucking a really thick milkshake through a straw. Sometimes you got to suck a couple times and then you finally get a swallow. You suck a couple more times, you got to take a break because it wears you out. That's exactly what breastfeeding looks like those first couple days of life when you have colostrum. Baby will go to breast, do a couple pulls, maybe take a swallow, and then sleep for a little bit because it is so exhausting. But the good news and the most amazing news is that on day one, a full feed is 5 mils. 5 mils is 1 teaspoon. 5 mils is a couple of good swallows. But any amount of colostrum counts. Even if it's a swallow or two, it counts, especially if you are doing lots of skin to skin and answering those hunger signs and feeding cues early. That's going to get you where you need to be. So, to review, colostrum is very thick. Babies don't always get something with every suckle, and it's very tiring for them to pull that colostrum out. So, while you want your baby to do continuous suck, swallow, breathe, suck, swallow, breathe, suck, swallow, breathe, that will happen. It will happen once milk gets here. But until then, I need you to do unlimited time at breast, especially while you have colostrum, and even later, but especially while you have colostrum, because any amount that they're getting is going to increase their blood sugar and have them ready to go back to breast again when it's time. But the most important thing that we can do is understand what it looks like on those first couple of days of breastfeeding. So when you are nursing your brand new sweet baby, my goal for you is to do 8 to 12 attempts, okay? But if you just would leave them as close to you as possible, pay attention to those early signs of hunger, like licking the air. I just go as far as to say, if your baby has one eye open, you should be putting them close to your breast so that they can get to you early and quickly. So remember, those first couple of days of breastfeeding do not at all look like those latter days when your breast milk comes. So mamas, be kind to yourself and understand your baby can only do so much those first few days. So I hope this helps some of you. If you have questions, feel free to comment.